Hello everyone, hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, in the previous class we have been discussing our 5th chapter that is called The Monkeys and the Gardener. Lesson number 5, The Monkeys and the Gardener. So in the first part we have discussed few paragraphs, is it? Beginning of the few paragraphs. So in this video we are going to study remaining paragraphs reading and new words and also explanation. So this is the second part. We will conclude this story in this video. Are you ready? Okay, here you can see the list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So before going to start, I would like to ask you a few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready? Okay, your first question, who was a proud man? As you know that the king of Varanasi. The king of Varanasi was a proud man. Why? Do you know why? He had a beautiful garden, is it? So everybody visit to see that garden. Next question. Who was the royal gardener of the king's beautiful garden? Who? Yes, Ramlal. So Ramlal families taking care of that garden, king's beautiful garden. So now present Ramlal himself. And next question, describe the king's beautiful garden. How was it, that garden? Yes, there were a huge trees. There was huge tree lining the carriageway. The garden itself was dotted with islands of colorful flowers. So that's why it's famous, and his kingdom, in his kingdom it was famous. That garden was famous, so that he was a proud man, who? The king of Varanasi. And last question, who came to meet Ramlal? And why? Yes, his friend Bansi came to meet Ramlal because a week-long fair was going to start in their village, so that he invited him to accompany him. Is it? So with this we will start remaining today's paragraphs. So as you know that when he becomes sad, looking very unhappy, the monkey leader immediately offered to help him, and then he said that we will water your plants every day. You can go, we will do at least this much to you, because you provide us a healthy home to live for a long year. To whom? That a troop of a large group of monkeys. So next, put your finger and listen carefully. Ramlal was very happy now. He packed a small bag of clothes and met Bansi at the bus stop the next day. So when monkey leader said to help him, then Ramlal, without thinking about the monkeys, he didn't think about the monkeys. He handed over the responsibility to the monkeys and went next morning to meet Bansi. He packed all clothes for 1 week. How much he needs, he packed in a small bag and met next day morning. He met in bus stop, at the bus stop. Who? Ramlal. So here he handed over the responsibility, that beautiful garden responsibility to the monkeys. As you know that monkeys are very mischievous animal, is it? So he didn't given a responsibility to the responsible person. He given that responsibility to the monkeys, a group of monkeys. So next what happened? Look at here. At 3 p.m. on this very day, the mad monkey called his troop and told them what he had promised Ramlal and why he had offered his help too. So that monkey leader which was offered to help the Ramlal, the monkey leader called all the monkeys which are living in that garden at that day afternoon 3 o'clock, and held the meeting and said that what he had promised to the Ramlal and how can we do the help. So next, the monkeys nodded their heads in approval. Then one of them asked, but how will we know which tree or plant needs how much water? If we water less, the plants will wither, and if we water too much, the plants will rot. So when he called the meeting, all the troop of monkeys, the head monkey called to everyone and said that all monkeys, group monkeys nodded, means shake the head, they can ready to help the Ramlal. In approval means what? They the monkeys accepted willingly, accepted that offer, that work willingly, means interestly. Then one of that monkeys, means in that group one monkey asked to the monkey leader. What he did ask? See, okay, we will do the work this one, but how will we know which tree or plants needs how much water? Because they were doing first time. See, they didn't know that work how to do. Is it? Monkeys didn't know. So then when one of the monkey asked to the monkey leader, if we water less, the plants will wither. Wither means they will fade, they will become dry. If we water too much, the plants will rot. Rot means spoil, they will break down, the plants will break down. So one of the monkey asked this problem. So then next, all the monkeys put their heads together. This was a problem they had to resolve. After all, the garden was just as much their need as the gardener's pride. So when one of the monkeys asked and said, kept one problem, that problem, all the monkeys put their heads, means they to agree that problem, yes, we have to face this problem first, how to resolve. So this is a problem before going to start our work, how can we get? So every monkey put their head, means they too had to resolve this problem. Then because the garden was just as much as their need, so it is a problem to them also. Why? Because the garden was very important for them also, because they are living for a long time, they need healthy home. So we have to do carefully that work, so that problem they have to resolve. And next, the head monkey then came up with an idea. we will uproot all the plants and check the size of their roots. If the roots are big, we will water more. If the roots are small, we will water less. Then the head monkey, was thinking, he got an idea. What is that? He said that to his whole troop of monkeys. Look at the picture. The head monkey said that, so we can solve like this. What? We will uproot all the plants. So the monkeys will think their mind how it will work. So the head monkey said, we will uproot all the plants. Means we will remove. First we will remove all the plants and check the size of their roots. So we will first cut down the trees from their root. We will see the root size and then we can water. If the roots are big, we will water more. If the roots are small, we will water less. So this idea has came to the head monkey's mind. So that head monkey said this to all the monkeys. Next, let's see. The monkeys got excited. They applauded their leader for coming up with such a brilliant idea. They got down to work. Every single tree, shrub and flowering plant was uprooted. The monkeys chucked the roots and watered accordingly. They were pleased that they could offer help to the gardener. So when the head monkey said that idea how to resolve the problem, then all the monkeys got excited. They become very thrilled. Wow, our leader has given very brilliant idea. They applauded, means they cheered his leader. Applauded means cheered or clapped. Clapped to hearing that leader's idea. Wow, very nice, very brilliant idea. They appreciated their leader. Then they got down to work, means they attended that work. They started to do that work. Every single tree, shrub and flowering plant was uprooted. They all monkeys, every single tree, even shrub, even small shrub, small plants, flowering plants, every plant, they were uprooted. Means they removed. All monkeys removed and they are checking the size of the root. The monkey checked the roots and watered accordingly. So that garden, the beautiful garden, they all removed. They are all trees, even flowering plants, everything they are uprooted. They are falling down there and checking the roots and watering accordingly, means watering them accordingly. They were pleased, means they were happy to do this help to the gardener. They were very proud to himself, they were very happy. Wow, we are doing this work to help the gardener. But they didn't know exactly what they are doing. Next, a week passed and Ramlal returned. He had a good time in his village, meeting all his folks and friends after a long time. He had enjoyed the fair too. So a week passed, 1 week, because he has taken only 1 week to enjoy the fair. So after a week, Ramlal returned to the garden, beautiful garden, and he had a good time in his village. Here 2 times had came. It means here had, one had is helping verb, another one had is main verb. As you know that to have verbs in the past participle had itself main verb, is it? So here Ramlal had a good time in his village. He spent very happily in his village and meeting to the old folks means here people, village people, their village people. He become very happy to see them and his friends, because he after a long time he was meeting to their folks and friends. Next paragraph. As he stepped into the palace garden, the smile vanished from his face. What a sight met his eyes! So when he returned after a week. When he stepped into means when he entered into the palace garden, he could see that garden. Immediately his smile vanished from his face. From his face, the smile vanished because he enjoyed the fair, and that enjoyment in memorizing, and also he came with smiling face, entered into the palace garden. What a sight met his eyes when he looked his that beautiful palace garden. The smile vanished from his face. Why? As you know that how they are made, the monkeys how made that garden, because they removed all the plants, trees, shrub, flowering plants. Is it? Next paragraph. As the head monkey came to greet him, beaming and thinking Ramlal would give them all juicy fruits as a reward, he saw tears of grief in Ramlal's eyes. The monkey could not understand why. He explained to Ramlal how he and his troop had religiously looked after the garden. When Ramlal met with the sight, means when he saw the garden, palace garden, his smile was vanished from his face, and where he stood, he sat there itself. He become struck by seeing that sight. Means here a sight means something you have to see in front of them. Then the head monkey came to greet him. Greet means to welcome him. The head monkey came to near to Ramlal to greet him, beaming. Beaming means with a broad smile, and thinking Ramlal would give them a juicy fruits. The head monkey came near to the Ramlal happily, and he was thinking in his mind, it was thinking Ramlal with very happily, we have done a good job with this, he will give reward, as a reward all juicy fruits. The head monkey thinking and came to welcome him, and he saw, means here the head monkey saw tears of grief in Ramlal's eye. Means he saw the Ramlal, he was suffering from problem because he was crying. Ramlal was crying because when he saw that palace garden, here vanished means his smile disappeared. He became struck and he started crying there itself where he stood. The monkey could not understand why, because he didn't know, that head monkey didn't know what they have done. So that when the head monkey saw to the Ramlal, he was crying. The head monkey could not understand why he was become sad. Then he explained to Ramlal. The head monkey explained to Ramlal how they have look after, how they are took care of that garden. Here religiously means diligently. Diligently means very happily, very interestedly, curiously they look after the garden. Next, that evening Bansi came to visit Ramlal again. As Ramlal explained to him the state of his garden, the Bansi said, "Sirs, you right for giving responsibility to a fool. He might have a good intentions, but will end up doing you more harm than good." So, the monkeys didn't understand what they have done, but Ramlal could understand what they have done that garden. So that he become upset, and that evening Bansi came to visit Ramlal. Bansi came to visit Ramlal that evening. Then Ramlal explained to Bansi what the state of his garden. See how the monkeys are made this garden, because I have given the responsibility to the monkeys for this garden, but they have made this state of his garden. Then Bansi said that, "Sirs, you right for giving responsibility to a fool. He might have good intention, but will end up doing you more harm than good." Bansi has given the morality to them, something good words he said. What that is? "Sirs, you right for giving responsibility to a fool." You sirs means you have given the responsibility to the fool. They can serve means they can do very responsible, and they might think, he means which are given the responsibility, to whom we have given, he might have good intention. So monkeys have a good intention. What that is? To help the Ramlal. They have a good intention and they serve their work right, but will end up doing you more harm than good. But they have a good intention, but you have given the responsibility to the fool. So how much they can think, how much they can do, they will do. So it is the end up will give more harm, not good. They have a good intention, but the process will be not gone good, is it? We will get more harm from them, from fool. We will not get good things from fool. They have good intention, but the process will be not get good. So he said, and what he has done the mistake, what the Ramlal has done the mistake, he explained. Who? Bansi. So Ramlal, you have given the responsibility to the fool, because fools have a good intention, but you will not get good things from them. Instead, you will get more harm. Instead of get good things, you will get more harms from them. So he said, and he himself, who Ramlal, he regretting himself because he has given the response to the fool. It should not be done. Is it? Next, Ramlal sat down to think how to explain all this to the king. He knew that he had lost his job. So that state of being, by seeing the state of his garden, he sat down and he was thinking how to explain this all, because he didn't taken permission to the owner of that garden. Without permission, without informing the king of Varanasi, he went to the village for giving the responsibility to the monkeys. He didn't inform the king of Varanasi, to the king of Varanasi. Now, how can explain? He knew that if he had said to the king of Varanasi, he will definitely lost his job. He knew that. So this is the explanation of this story. I hope you understood. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. Ramlal was very happy when the head monkey offered him to do the work, and next day morning he met Bansi in the bus stop, and they both together they went, and here that day afternoon head monkey called all the troops and informed what we have to do in this garden. So then all the monkeys accepted, but one of the monkeys asked to the leader monkey, how we will know which plants need how much water. Then all the monkeys have suffering from this problem. They too started thinking, yes, we have to, how can we get this? Then the head monkey got an idea. He said that he will remove all the plants and check the size of the roots. If the roots are big, we will water more. If the roots are small, we will water less. Then all the monkeys got thrilled and they cheered to his leader because he has given the brilliant idea. Then they started work and they uprooted, means they removed all the roots and watering the plants, checking the roots and watering. So a week passed and he returned home. He returned to the garden, Ramlal. Then he memorizing which was he enjoyed in his village. When he stepped into the garden, his smile disappeared because he saw that sight, it should be not done. So then when monkey leader came to meet Ramlal, and he said that what they have done, how they have done. Then where he stood, the Ramlal, there only itself, he sat down. At that evening, Bansi came to visit Ramlal again, and then he explained what happened in that garden, what is the state of his garden. Then Bansi said that you serves good. It means serves you right for giving responsibility to the fool, but they have good intention, but the result will be very harmful than good. Then he started thinking how to explain this all to the king. because he didn't taken permission to go to the village without informing to the king. He went to his village. He knew that he is king. That owner of the garden will definitely keep outside to him. It means he knew that he will lost his job. So this is the brief information about this story. So what we learn from this story? As Bansi said to the Ramlal, that moral words should be very nice, should be keep in our life, because we didn't give any responsibility to a fool, because they have too good intention, they have, but how much they will possible they can do, but you will get harmful, very harm result, very bad result from them instead of good. So this is the moral of this story. I hope you understood. Next, take down the homework. Write the meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the whole lesson and meaning of new words. Is it clear? Okay. So we will meet next video with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you, my dear students.